Can you read the story?
Mama.
Will you read the story to me?
Mama.
Yeah, read the book.
Mama. 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 Mama.
Are you too distracted?
Mama. Mama. Mama.
Mama. Can you tell me something?
Baby. Baby.
Baby? What's the baby doing?
Bubble.
She's reading a book?
Go.
Oh. What book is she reading?
Go.
What's the book? Is it Nighty Night, Lucy?
Bed. Bed.
Is that for bed?
Nap. Nap.
Nap? It's the first time you've said nap.
Night. Night. Night.
Night Night. Is that the Night Night book?
Oh.
Who is the Night Night book from? Is it from Aunt Christina?
Oh, go.
Can you say Christina?
Kia.
Good.
Oh, go. Oh, go.
Where'd she go?
No me. No me.
Noni? Or do you mean Sonia?
Kia.
Where's Sonia?
Oh, go.
Where'd she go? What about Tyler?
No. Whoa. Whoa.
Do you like to play with Tyler?
Hair.
He
Hair.
has hair. You like his hair. What else do you like about Tyler?
Hair.
Hair? Who else? Do you like Aunt Elise? Can you say Elise? Hey, can you say Elise? Can you say Eric? Can you say Baby Kate?
Baby.
EE. What's EE baby's name?
Happy. Happy. Sissy blue. Oh, go. Bubble, bubble, bubble.
Look.
Ooh.
Can you say Kate?
Cake.
Cake? Do you love baby cake? What's going on outside? What is it? What's in your book? Okay, say I love you.
Mama, baby.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.